Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time watch at home. First, gather your materials. You will need a flat base, a gnomon, and a way to mark hours. A gnomon is the part that casts the shadow. We will use simple household items to create a functional and accurate time-telling device. This project is both educational and fun, offering a unique way to connect with the natural world and the passage of time. To begin, you'll need a few basic items. For the base, a piece of wood or heavy cardboard approximately 10 by 10 inches works well. Your gnomon, the shadow casting element, can be a pencil, a straight stick, or a dowel about 6 inches long. You'll also need a compass to find true north, a protractor for angle measurements, and a ruler for drawing straight lines. Finally, a permanent marker will be essential for marking the hour lines clearly on your sundial's face. Now, let's construct it. First, attach your gnomon firmly to the center of your base. The angle at which it stands is crucial. It must match your local geographical latitude. For example, if you live at 40 degrees latitude, the gnomon should be set at a 40-degree angle. Next, use your compass to orient the entire base so the gnomon points precisely towards true north. On a sunny day, starting early, mark the tip of the gnomon's shadow every hour on the base. Once you have marked several hours, connect the points from the base of the gnomon to the marked shadow tips, creating your hour lines. Label each line with the correct hour. For consistent accuracy, always ensure your sundial is perfectly level and its gnomon is pointing to true north. Keep in mind that a sundial displays local apparent solar time, which can differ slightly from standard clock time due to factors like the equation of time. Enjoy your handmade, time-telling device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.